everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using a new to me dip company called Lift Your Spirits Dips. Now if you haven't seen or heard about Lift Your Spirits Dips, you definitely need to go check out her Instagram page, and the website is absolutely gorgeous. And how fun is this little packaging with all the little pink confetti streamers in there, and you can't go wrong with some candy. Airheads are amazing. Alright, and how gorgeous is this little bag that the dips come in? So the first thing in here is a card that has the info for Lift Your Spirits. It has the Facebook information on there and also the Instagram info as well. And then these little like inspiration cards are super cute. I really like that. It's a really unique touch for, a dip company. And check out this little adorable file, perfect for your purse. Alright, and these dips are amazing. I love the packaging on these. There's just something about gold and black that just pulls at my heartstrings. I just love that color combo. So we're just pulling out the dips here. And then there is a cute little water decal in here. That goes perfect with the colors you're going to see in just a moment. And then a little cuticle pusher as well, which I threw that in my purse with the little file. Alright, so the first color here, oh, and I really like the washi tape on the side as well. And attention to detail, the washi tape is also black and gold. So the first color here is Dewdrop, and it is a pretty green color. It is gorgeous. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. And then the next color here is Aphrodite. It is like a sheer pink with some pearl flakies in it that shift. It is really pretty. The little shifty pieces are really hard to pick up on camera, but it is a gorgeous color. And you'll see it in action in just a few moments. And then the next color here is Iris and Ivy. And this is a glitter in a shard mix. It has all that glittery shard goodness mixed into one, and the colors are so pretty. Love it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and swatch these colors, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here are these colors swatched, and how gorgeous are these colors? So pretty. I think this is the perfect trio, and that glitter is amazing. So you can see the little pearl iridescent shards on that pink as well. So for today's mani, I'm going to be doing the gel method, and we're going to do a little water decal at the end, and we're going to use all three colors. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit.
All I
Alright, so we're just finishing up the mani here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about their website. So Lift Your Spirit Dip's website is really pretty. Again, it has a lot of black and gold in it, which is my favorite. But she also just launched recently something new, and it is the Mani of the Month kit. It's a really cool idea. It has everything you need in the kit to complete a mani, and it comes with a little video as well that you can recreate the inspired mani of that month. Also, she has the birthday month duos on the website, and right now June duo is on there as well, so it's currently up to June, and they are so pretty. It is like the perfect combo for that birthday month. So if you have a birthday in June, June's duo is super awesome. I can't wait to see what October's looks like. That's when my birthday is. She does sell the jars from full-size jars to sample jars, so that's really awesome. So here is the completed mani. We're just going to go ahead and put some cuticle oil on there. And I really like how this mani turned out. I think the water decal is perfect, especially for this little trio here. And if you guys have checked out Lift Your Spirits dips, let me know what colors you tried in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!